Very good morning, everyone. Myself, Prashant. I'm the founder and CEO at Yuva, and we have developed the inclusive bank for the excluded populations. Currently, the banking, every country is focusing on fueling this financial inclusion, banking the unbanked population. But if you look at that, currently 50% of the population do not have a internet connectivity, and 20% of the population do not have access for the banking services. There are many solutions available in the market, but still the job is not done. And currently, every country is focusing on almost rural empowerment, everything, but they're infusing a lot of money. Even the current traditional banking system, they're infusing a lot of fund on the physical infrastructure, like accessing the banking services, but still this 50% of the population is not served. And to overcome these challenges, most of the banking solution they have introduced digital payment solution and digital banking solution, but the biggest enemy is connectivity. Without internet, nobody works, and even without smartphone, nobody works. So if this is the same case, how we can onboard this 50% of the population in the real financial services? Is there any solution? Yes, we have a EVA-based solution. We have a global banking solution for next 2.9 billion population, where we are enabling all the banking services like starting with the spending and even the payment collections, and we make an habit for a customer to save on every spending. And once the people are saved in a piggy bank account, then we are providing in the micro credit system where they can get an easy credit inside the application, inside the EvoPay app at affordable rate of interest. And once these people are available for this micro credit, then we are providing the micro insurance. There's a small pocket of insurance. The range between the premium value is $1 to $2, and the coverage is between 10,000 to 20,000. So this is all the complete services we are enabling in the single platform. As I said, we have a solution for both smartphone and people and even the feature phone, and even people who do not have internet also they can access all these services in a single platform. So that is exactly one of the game changers. As I said, currently 50% of the population do not have an access for the digital infrastructure, and we are solving the problem here. As I said, we are also grown. We are launched our solution in last November 2019, and with an initial platform revenue of $100,000, and now we have grown almost 9 times. So now currently we are having a platform revenue is almost $1.25 million, and we are already growing 10 to 15% month on month. And of course, we can say that our focus is for rural market, the tied to below cities and last mile population, and we are enabling all this population into the single platform. And we can see that almost all the population they are spending on most of the time it is not a convenient for accessing the traditional services, but we are enabling all these financial inclusion services where people are feeling very convenient for that. This is exactly the market. Like as I said, currently we are focusing on Indian market, and currently we are having $1 million as a platform revenue with the digital solution called payments and collection. Now we are enabling multiple services like microcredit, insurance, prepaid card, and also micro savings. And with this part, we are planning to have a platform revenue of almost 10 million by 2021. And we are not only restricted for India, but also we are going with the global market, and we are already expanded our network for 5 countries from Africa, that is Morocco, Senegal, Djibouti, Nigeria, and Philippines, where we identify the local partner, and we are white labeling our solution for the neo banking platform. As I said, we are initially focusing on the Indian market, but also we have a global solution, as it is almost 50% of the global population. And for the 2022, we want to have the same growth, like it has it's almost 1,000 times, and we want to have a 100 million platform revenue and expanding our network for 20 countries, enabling again the microcredit card and international remittance system in the same platform. This is exactly our market expansion plan. We have a strong partnership where we are partnered with Visa, and Visa is enabling of the card-to-card solution with Yuva Pay, and also one of the top private bank in India, that is S Bank. And S Bank is we are one of the portfolio solution, and they are helping us to reach pan India, all the state that is covering almost 420 million users. And Visa with their, again, we are focusing on Indian market, but also we are expanding our network for global market, targeting for Africa and Southeast Asia. And we already has it, we already gotten client in African part, and we are implementing our solution, and we are going live in April 2021 for these four major countries, and with an initial setup cost between 100,000 to $250,000. And we are doing the joint venture with these companies within 70-30 ratio, and with a 30% revenue share. So this is exactly our ask right now. We want to grow. We are already grown 1,000%, and also we want to extend the same growth for next 1 year. And we are looking currently 2.5 million on cap of 10 million. So major the fund is going for the license fees, because we need to have a banking infrastructure licenses, and these population do not have a digital footprint, do not have a smartphone. Of course, most of the cost is going for the branding and customer acquisition, and even the marketing acquisition cost. And we are also having a strong partnership. Visa is one of the global partners, and already we are closing deal with the conversation with Mastercard, and also Fidelity International. And also we have a facilitator like RBI, the Central Bank of India. And recently they are given a pilot opportunity for enabling our solution for 200,000 villages in rural village. It's in India. And also we have a live customer with ICICI Lombardo, Bajaj Allianz, and also the Bharat Bill Pay is controlled by the NPCI, is under Reserve Bank of India.
Last
And
30 seconds. Thank you, Prashant.
this is the team behind the innovation. We have a fantastic team in technology and marketing, and also global advisors. Sven from Germany, he's taking of Europe and German market, and Debas is from India, and he's taking of MENA and the African region. And we have raised only $250,000 as the angel round, and now we are looking for covering this almost 10 times of the marketing growth. And this is exactly the team currently working on the complete neo banking platform for our next 15% of the population. So this is exactly the recent pilot approval received from the central bank. We are partnered with Visa and S Bank, and also with Yuva Pay. We are onboarding 200,000 villages. We are onboarding 5 villages. There we are onboarding 200,000 villages who do not have access for financial banking services. And we are the first time in India introducing the solution for last mile population. Thank you.